I chose van life for freedom. No routine, no rules. I could wake up anywhere and do whatever I wanted. But lately, I've felt stuck. Not physically, mentally. And the weirdest part, I don't even know why. I wake up in a new spot. New sights, new sounds, new everything. But somehow, the same feelings always catch up to me. My van is a disaster, and unfortunately, van life doesn't come with a cleaning exemption. I used to have this rule as a kid, homework before play. Now, it's cleaning my van before I start my day. Turns out some habits don't disappear, even when you try to escape them. And maybe that's the problem. No matter how far I go, some part of me still feels like I have to earn the day. Like I should be accomplishing something before I'm allowed to enjoy myself. Like I should have something figured out by now. Like I'm behind, but behind what exactly? Coffee with my friend is a break from all of that. For a moment, life feels simple. Just coffee, just conversation, just being present. But it doesn't last, because today I have a choice to make. I haven't surfed in months. My back's been injured, another injury added to my long list of injuries. Surfing keeps me grounded. It's always been my reset button, and without it, I felt lost. So today, I make the decision. If my back's gonna hurt anyway, then I'm surfing. Maybe it's reckless, maybe it's exactly what I need. I just got out of the water and guess what? My back feels the same. No better, no worse. But my mind feels so clear. I put so much pressure on myself to use every second productively, to be getting better, achieving more, always moving forward. It would be so easy to just play video games, watch anime, and eat junk food. And honestly, that sounds amazing. But I know I wouldn't feel good after. But sometimes I wonder, would it really be so bad to just let go for a bit? To stop trying to be better, do better, live better, just for a moment? There's a version of me that wants to lean into that. To sleep in, skip the gym, eat whatever I want, waste the whole afternoon watching something I've already seen 100 times. And honestly, that version of me sounds happy. But only in theory, because I know myself, and I know that after a few hours of indulgence, that feeling would fade and the guilt would creep in. That little voice in my head would start whispering again, telling me I should be doing more, that I should be using this time wisely. And that's the weirdest part. I chose this life to escape expectations, to break free from routines, obligations, the feeling that I always had to be productive. But now I'm realizing the pressure didn't come from my job or a schedule or anyone else. It came from me. Maybe freedom isn't the absence of structure. Maybe it's just choosing which structure I want. And right now, I don't know what I want. But I do know that sitting still won't fix it. So I get up, I make dinner, I go to the gym. Not because I have to, not because I feel like I'll fall behind if I don't, but because movement feels better than staying stuck. That voice in my head still creeps in, repeating over and over, do more, be more, keep up, or you'll fall behind. But behind what? And who's keeping score? So, how do I get unstuck? Maybe that's the real journey.